Hi there, Qigongers. This is Wesley, and welcome to 5 Alive. This is a sequence from our Qigong for the Busy Bee, designed specifically to cleanse and clear the lungs, kidneys, liver, heart, and spleen. It can be done anywhere, anytime, by anyone. Now, I'm going to explore in your mirrored image here, and we're going to be exploring about 5 or 6 cycles of breath per organ within a flow. Now, you can extend these breaths or you can shorten these breaths depending on how much time you have in this specific day. So where you are, just taking off your shoes, walking the feet hip distance apart, softening into a nice, beautiful standing still posture. In stillness, arms hanging, unlocked knees, inhaling through the nose, finding a state of fullness, and on the exhale, just relaxing. 5 or 6 cycles of breath just to invite a quality of calm and peace into this stillness. Preparation for this amazing journey to gather an abundance of life force into these major organs of the body. Now starting to just generate a shake from the feet. Let the arms hang super heavy here, and we'll just explore cooking Qi or shaking. This is an invigoration exercise designed to awaken sleeping or dormant life force. So if you feel comfortable, you can bounce your heels right up off the earth and just use the skeletal system as a tuning fork. Nice to add an audible breath on the inhale, breathing in through the nose. Open mouth, Tarzan, exhale. Arms hanging super heavy, inhale, breath in, and from where you are, exhaling out, letting that stuff go. Couple more, just like that. And finding stillness as you complete another cycle. And we'll start with the lungs, bringing the arms on the next inhale, parallel to the earth, palms face down, bringing your index finger and thumbs to touch as you walk the feet slightly wider than the hips. Now on an inhale, as we stand tall, we swim the arms open. It's a breath in, palms face up. Index finger and thumb touch, and on the exhale, baby fingers come back in front of the chest as we gently round the shoulders. Inhale, swim through the air. It's a breath in. Exhale, slowly sinking into unlocked knees. Focusing here on the lungs with soaring crane, this is a beautiful opportunity to tonify the lung energy of the body. An opportunity to expand the breath, to breathe a little fuller into the lungs. Where on average we use about 1/3 the capacity of our lungs to breathe. We tend to want to exist in that fight or flight mode, really shallow breathing. This flow is designed to deepen the breath, to invite more oxygen to feed the trillions of cells in the body. Inhale, lifting the heart, we massage the lungs, and on the exhale, we just let staleness go. Standing posture here, palms facing the lungs, 3 or 4 cycles of breath, unlocked knees, sending healing, clean, fresh energy from the palms into the lungs. Dropping the hands, walking the feet hip distance apart, backs of the hands in front of the pelvis, the fountain on an inhale. Wave the arms up in front of the 3 dun chins, and on the exhale from third eye, rainbow the arms left and right. Round the shoulders slightly, and on an in-breath, float the arms up. It's a breath in, finding fullness. Exhale, rainbowing the arms. This flow is designed now to recharge, replenish the kidneys. Slight rounding of the shoulders on the exhale as we massage the kidneys. As we inhale, round up through the spine. Get nice and tall, and on the exhale, rainbow the arms left and right. Inhale, standing tall into the legs, and on the exhale, just unlocking the knees. Just finding that nice, gentle pumping with the legs to move the life force through these energetic pathways, the meridians within. Inhale, breath in. Our standing posture here, reverse or kidney breathing, palms to the lower back, fingers facing down, gently roll the elbows towards one another. Soften the neck and the shoulders, and breathe into your palms. Breathe into the kidneys, the batteries of the body. Let's recharge these batteries of the body. A few breaths here in preparation to transition now into the liver, largest organ of the body. Drawing the palms to face up towards the sky, just in front of the pelvis. Start to twist to your left, and with an inhale, float the arms just over the head with your middle fingers. Exhale, untwist through center, bend into the knees, and now twist to your right on the in-breath, floating the arms up and then back through center. Just finding a really beautiful flow here. Inhaling into the twist, the side you're exploring, floating the arms up, middle fingers just above the skull. Exhale, gently painting the air with your fingers. Good. Inhale as you twist, we can stand tall, and on the exhale, bend into the knees as the arms rainbow down, side to side. We start to really explore awakening that tension line through the side line of the intercostal ribs, the liver meridian line. Liver is notorious for harboring anger, stress, frustration. It's with this flow that we can just start to breathe in happiness, joy, love, and compassion. A little gratitude, a little self-love here, gang. Inhale into the twist, float the arms up. It's a breath in, and on the exhale, come through center. Moving from the center of the body. The art of effortless power, moving like water. Fluid, flowing, and just relaxing into this flow state. This tapping in, going with the flow, than rather against the flow. There's a recharging and replenishing of the liver. A couple more from side to side, and when you're ready, we're going to come through our standing posture, stacking the palms just in front of one another, about 6 inches in front of the liver, and just closing the eyes, unlocking the knees, and sending fresh energy into the liver, filling that reservoir. Good. Big, beautiful breath. Feels amazing to be alive. Now from the liver, feet hip distance apart, we transition into the heart, bringing your right forearm perpendicular to the sky, left forearm parallel to the earth. We push and twist. Inhale through center, one forearm parallel to the earth, and we push through that center to find a nice massage and stretch through the heart meridian line. This is called Fair Lady Works the Shuttle. It'll definitely take a couple rounds to find. One hand in front of your forehead, and then we come back with that middle finger pointed to the elbow, and we exhale into the twist. Inhale through center, exhale into the twist. Breath in, exhale. Inhale through center, and on the exhale, push forward. Good. We bring this nice compression through the heart region of the body. So we get this pumping through the midline of the body to cleanse and clear stagnation in and around the heart. Fair Lady Works the Shuttle. Good. That arm that's parallel to the earth crosses in front of the chest and pushes out, finding a nice side body stretch through the rib cage. And we pause here. We come to our standing posture, palms stacked in front of one another, just in front of the heart. 4 or 5 cycles of breath here. Unlocked knees, clean, fresh energy into this glowing heart that is pumping fresh blood through the system. Man, that feels good. From here, we transition to the spleen, dropping the hands, walking the feet hip distance apart. Good. We find an inhale as we stand tall, and on the exhale, we sit back into a tall stool, float the arms forward and around. This is called Pebble in the Pond. Inhale, finding fullness. On the exhale, shifting and sitting back as the arms circle and finding a nice ripple, spiral effect through this life force we're reaching the fingers through. Inhale, standing tall. Exhale, sitting back and sweeping those arms left to right. This flow designed to send some replenishing energy into the spleen, starts to support the digestive system of the body. A really beautiful, graceful flow. Inhale, stand tall. Exhale, sitting back, arms floating left and right. Ooh, that water feels good. Good. After 5 or 6 cycles, pausing here, dropping the hands stacked in front of one another just over the spleen to the left, about 6 to 8 inches off the body. Eyes closed. Fresh, clean energy into the spleen. Recharging. Good. And we complete this beautiful adventure here, walking the feet hip distance apart, pulling down the skies, unlocked knees, and with an inhale, floating the arms up left and right, up above the head, gathering energy, and on the exhale, washing it through the skull, through the upper, middle, and lower dantian, filling these three power centers of the body, drawing energy from the universe above and directing it down towards the lower belly, this gathering of an abundance of life force. And just feeling this recharging of all these 5 major organs of the body. And now just finding harmony through the 3 centers. Inhale, stand tall, arms float up. Exhale, bend the knees and draw that energy in. Keeping the shoulder blades nice and low, it's soft and relaxed, pulling down the skies. A couple more breaths here. When you're ready, pausing. Feet hip distance apart, palms facing down to the earth. Little space between the armpits. Spreading the fingers, closing the eyes. Standing posture, just drawing some energy up from the earth through the palms. And again, just feeding that energy into your system. Gathering of earth energy through the feet, through the palms. And we take this replenish, this recharging of these 5 major organs, and we celebrate the rest of the day. Thanks for exploring, gang. Thanks for being here. You can do this for 12 minutes. You can do this for 20 minutes. You can do it for 6 minutes. Qi Gong, anywhere, anyone, anytime. Change your life forever. Thanks for being here. We'll see you again soon on the next one. You rock. All Gong, Qi Gong.